In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a regular zipper. Here's the zipper. And this is some Wonder tape that I'm going to use. I love this stuff. It has so many uses, but here I'm just going to show you how to use it in installing a zipper. You need to take your fabric and with the right sides together, which means the more colorful side is going to be on the inside facing each other. Now you're going to take the right edge and you're going to align it with the 5/8 inch mark on your throat plate. And here you're going to need to lengthen your stitch. I lengthen mine to a 4. And right here, I'm marking where I want the zipper to end. So start sewing, but don't back tack because we will be taking this stitch out. And right here, I'm shortening my stitch to about a 2.5. I'm going to back tack and then finish off the seam because that's where the zipper ends. Now I'm going to press, and I use a 4-step pressing process. You press with your seams closed like this, and then you flip it over and you press this side. And this just kind of presses the stitches into the fabric. So number 3, face down and you open the seam allowance and you press. Step 4, turn it over and press again. Now here I'm going to use a sleeve roll and I'm going to press it on the seam to absorb the heat and set the crease. Now I have the Wonder tape on my zipper. I'm going to pull the paper off and I'm going to press it onto the seam allowance. Being sure to align the zipper pull and the teeth with the stitching line. I like to take a little extra time in the beginning to prep my work so that it reduces the amount of mistakes I make, because there's nothing more frustrating than have to redo your work because something went wrong. And I like using the adhesive tape a lot better than pins. So you give it a good press to make sure that it's not going to move. And even after you press it, you can lift it and reposition it if you need to. This is my zipper foot from my Juki, and you can see how narrow it is, which is great because this way I don't have to try and get around the zipper pull. It just goes right past it without any issues. And when you start your stitch, you'll see I made the mistake right here. I should have started a little further in, back tacked, and then went forward. I tried to do it from the very end, and even though I know better, you know, sometimes you just make mistakes, and that's just the way it is. You live and you learn. So when you get down to the end, you need to put your needle in the down position, raise your presser foot, and pivot your work. So you pivot, sew, pivot, and come back up. When you're finished, you're going to flip it over and open the seam from the zipper pull down to where you came across the zipper with that stitching line. And that's it. If you like the video and you would like to see more, down below, like the video and subscribe to my channel. And feel free to share it. And that's it. Thanks for watching and check back for more. Don't forget to subscribe.